Welcome back, everyone. I'm your English mentor, Chinky Goswami, and today we are going to discuss job application letter and biodata. Well, as per the new CBSE pattern for 2021, question number 3 of part B in your question paper, there will be the letter writing question, and the choice will be between letter to editor and the job application letter along with the biodata. Now, what is job application letter? It is a document that should be submitted along with the resume or biodata to an employer to express the candidate's interest in the position while applying for jobs. It is also known as a cover letter. It explains why the candidate qualified for the position and should be shortlisted for an interview. Whereas the resume or biodata explains the candidate's history of work experience, skills, and accomplishments. The letter should emphasize the candidate's skill and key qualifications which is fit for the role. Then comes the biodata. Biodata refers to a person's life, experience, and achievements. It should be representative of all your personal and professional details in a specified format. It is generally divided into 4 parts: personal details, qualifications, experience, and references. Now let's come to the marking scheme as per the updated CBSE pattern. Your job application will be for 5 marks, in which format is for 1 mark, content for 2 marks, and expression for 2 marks. Now let's have a look at the format for letter writing for job application. This is formal letter, so sender's address, date, receiver's designation along with the receiver's address, then subject followed by the salutation, and your letter will be divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph: begin the body of the letter by mentioning the source, that means from where you had seen the advertisement, along with the day, date, and advertisement number. Also mention the post you wish to apply for. Then in second paragraph, here you are supposed to offer your candidature by briefing about your qualifications, achievements, previous experiences, and your strengths. In other words, the paragraph should be an answer to the question, how are you the perfect candidate for the job? In third paragraph of the body, you are supposed to make a reference to the photograph, passport-sized biodata, or curriculum vitae and other detailed documents that you have enclosed. You can also appeal for the one-on-one interview. End the body on a promising note. Example, looking forward to your positive response. Then complimentary close, your signature, and don't forget to mention the enclosures. For example, if you are enclosing your biodata, your passport size photograph, and your documents, then you are supposed to mention all these things point-wise in your enclosures. Now here is the format for your biodata. In the initial section, you have to mention about your personal details, then your qualification, your skills and your achievements, and finally your reference. Now these are the tips you need to keep in mind while you're attempting your job application letter. Make sure you double check the grammatical accuracy and spellings. They carry marks. Leave adequate number of lines between the paragraphs to make it look clean. Underlining the main points is very important, but it is advised to do if after finishing your exam. Use a pencil and scale for underlining. Presentation is very important. Read a lot of letters to get an ideas. Never mention any of your personal details, that is, your name, your school name or address. Never write in one go. Make sure you follow the right format and make paragraphs. Don't use slangs or short forms. Try not to exceed the prescribed word limit, that is 150 to 200 words. In further slides, I had given the question which was there in the CBSE question paper of 2019. So you may just pause the video and see how I had drafted the letter, how I had framed my paragraphs and the biodata. Detailed description of this letter would be done in my online classes. I hope letter writing on job application along with the biodata is clear to you. In case there is any problem, any query, any question related to this topic, you may directly message me on my WhatsApp group, or you may drop your question in the comment section. I'll surely take your question and answer all your queries. Thank you.